Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Ruby Beauty Lifestyle, you guys. So this is my hair that I have been bothering like for months to get it to grow back. So I want to show you that my natural hair is growing back. I still have a little thinness at the front here, but this is how my hair look after trying so hard to get my hair to grow back. I am so grateful that my hair is really growing back. So I'm gonna show you two products that I have been using in my hair to get it to this length, and I have been using these two products. I haven't washed it out, I just applied the two of them. So this is the Advanced Onion Enriched Coconut Oil with onion, and this one is also rosemary, Advanced Rosemary Enriched Coconut Oil. So I use these two together for my hair, and you can see my hair. The front hair is growing back also. I really surprised to see my hair in this condition and the way how it's growing back. So I am using these two products for my hair, you guys. These are from Indian shop where I bought these, and it said that hair fall control. That is the onion oil, and this one also said long and strong hair. This is rosemary here. This is the onion oil. Now what I do when I'm doing my hair, I put some of the onion oil first. It has a strong scent but not too strong, and then I apply some of the rosemary to it, and I rub my hand together, and then I put it in my hair. I massage it in my hair so it can um, make my hair feel like something is going on. So this is how I do. I use my fingertip and I do massage oil in my hair. And when I do massage oil in my hair, then afterward I will always like make sure that I twist it or something and leave it there. So this is how it look here right now, and you can see a difference compared to some time ago. I was like bothering for my hair to grow, and I'm gonna put some more of this oil in my hair. I like to apply this to my hair in the morning, not at night, in the morning, so that the scent can go away. So this is what I'm using in my hair for hair growth. As I said, it's from the Indian shop, and this is the Advanced Onion Enriched Coconut Oil, this one, and this one is the Advanced Rosemary Enriched Coconut Oil, and this is for long and strong hair, rosemary oil, and this one is for hair fall control. So these two together I am using in my hair to get back my hair this way to grow back. I am so glad that I'm using it, and the price of these is not really bad. So let's show you. And then sometime I like to wet my hair with some rosemary water and then apply the oil. So I am going to also apply some leave-in condition in my hair. Sorry, I'm gonna apply some leave-in condition in my hair, and it's the TG and Buttercream Daily Moisturizer. This is what I have leave, and I do apply this also to the hair and leave it there, and then it will just for it to keep moisturized. So this is how my hair is, you guys. You can see that my hair almost can, I don't know if almost, my hair can catch in one. I am working hard, you guys, on my hair. So this is how my hair look. I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. I just come on here to show you my hair compared to a couple months ago when I was having problem with my hair, and my hair was falling so badly from last year. And although I know that I am on medication and but I can see improvement in the hair. Somebody was asking me about Jaba Natural. Now, Jaba Natural is a bit on the pricey side. This two hair growth oil that I'm using, I go to an Indian store where I get them to buy. And I always want to try the onion oil. I try to make it for myself, but I don't like, when I make it, it's really stink. But this one is not really like bad. So I am so grateful for the growth of my hair right now, you guys. So I just want to say thank you so much again for watching. And please like, share, comment, and do subscribe. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.